Are you looking for an exotic barbecue sauce, one that has a tiny bit of spice, nice bit of sweetness, and just a great all-around taste? Well, get ready, this BBQ sauce is for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a great barbecue sauce, a Chipotle Pineapple BBQ sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Grab something to blend everything up with. I'm using a smoothie maker. Work with the heavy ingredients first. 2/3 of a cup of dark brown sugar, that's about 100 grams. The chipotles go in next. 1 tablespoon, 20 grams. It's diced chipotle peppers. Check the description for the exact product that I'm using. Now it's time to add a little tomato sauce. Add 1/3 of a cup or 80 grams. And now for the thickening agent, a little arrowroot. 2 teaspoons, 10 grams. Throw it on in. Time to hit that spice rack. Grab a little powdered garlic, 1/2 teaspoon. And now for a little bit of earthy sweetness, some molasses, unsulphured molasses, 1/3 of a cup or 90 grams. Time to add a little bit of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. And for an exotic taste, ground ginger, 1/2 tablespoon or 15 grams. Check the description below to see the kind that I used. And for the final ingredient, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of pineapple juice. So now we've reached the point where it's time to mix everything up. If you're using a smoothie maker, grab that top, put it on, give it a shake, make sure everything's well incorporated and off the sides. Put it onto the base, crank it up, give it a whirl, let it mix for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything is mixed and well combined. Now grab a saucepan, put it on a burner, pour everything in, check it out. Look how silky smooth this is. This is almost a perfect consistency as is, but we're going to put it on the burner just to warm it up to a simmer. This will activate that arrowroot and make it nice and thick. Grab a spoon, taste the sauce, adjust the seasoning, add a little bit of salt if necessary. So check it out, the goal here is just to bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, you're good to go. You can take it off heat. It'll be slightly thin at first, but once it cools off a tiny bit, it'll be nice and thick. So there you have it, a Chipotle Pineapple Barbecue Sauce, ready to hit that backyard barbecue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember as always, to live, love, and make gravy.